Welcome back. Well, got up to 72 this afternoon, about 7 degrees above where we should be for the time of year. We're going to stay mild but quiet for one more day, and then it's back to cool conditions through the course of the weekend. Periods of light rain showers there for at least the first half of Saturday, but then thereafter, a pretty seasonable and nice weather pattern taking shape by the end of the weekend and then heading into much of next week. So here's the upper level pattern, and as we mentioned yesterday, still tracking this upper level low. It's going to be our next weather maker, still right around the Four Corners region, and that's going to slowly progress eastward here over the next several days, and eventually will help to give us some rain chances as we head into Saturday. We'll get to that in just a second. Out there today, did have some cloud cover, especially earlier on today, but those kind of thinned out through the course of the afternoon, so turned out to be a pretty nice day, and with the added sunshine, helped to push those temperatures into the lower 70s. All the clouds kind of shuttled off to the south into the Gulf of Mexico. We got some showers here across southern Texas and into Mexico, and a little bit further to the north, still winter precipitation across New Mexico, Colorado, even into Kansas. But again, we got one more dry day before we see some of those showers moving in for Saturday. So here's how it plays out with the graph model. Fair skies overnight tonight. We are cool to chilly, upper 40s to lower 50s. So that's where we'll start the day tomorrow. We'll call it a partly cloudy sky into the afternoon. Mild, upper 60s to lower 70s in spots. Winds will come out of the east-southeast, set around, we'll say, 6 to 14 miles per hour. And here we go into Saturday. Some showers will be knocking on the doorstep really late Friday night, more so heading into Saturday morning. Most of this is going to be pretty light and moderate in nature. We're not looking at heavy thunderstorms, certainly not severe weather or anything like that. And notice, not going to be raining all day long, just periods of showers possible, especially for the first half of Saturday. But activity is going to be moving along and should come to an end west to east by the afternoon. We're still going to be left with the cloud cover, much cooler, lower 60s only, and then those skies finally clear out as we head into Sunday. It's going to be a chilly start, low to mid 40s Sunday morning, and then a mostly sunny sky into our Sunday afternoon as we see high temperatures staying cool, only topping out in the lower 60s. As far as rain coverage over the next several days here in Acadiana, again, we're quiet and mild for tomorrow. There's our scattered showers for Saturday, especially the first half of Saturday, and thereafter we are going to be turning much nicer for the end of the weekend and much of next week as kind of a typical December weather pattern is going to be taking shape. So we're looking at highs in the 60s, overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. As far as rainfall amounts with that disturbance on Saturday, it's been kind of tough to nail down because the models haven't been in great agreement. Graph model here is showing most of us picking up less than 1/4 of an inch, but we compare that with the high resolution rapid refresh model and even the European model. They've been showing a little bit more, anywhere from around 1/2 inch, maybe upwards to an inch in spots. So we'll see how that plays out. Still, I wouldn't plan on a ton of rainfall simply because activity is going to be kind of more scattered in nature and light to moderate as well. As far as our low temperatures tonight, northern Acadiana, mid to upper 40s. We'll say upper 40s to lower 50s here along the I-10 corridor, and lower 50s a pretty good bet there across the coastal parishes. After that cool to chilly start, we are going to be mild tomorrow afternoon, upper 60s to lower 70s under partly cloudy skies. And then Saturday morning, temperatures holding upper 50s to right around 60 degrees, and it will pretty much be hovering in the lower 60s throughout the day on Saturday. So certainly much cooler through the course of the weekend, and then again, sun looking to return on Sunday. 51 will be your projected low tonight. It's going to be a quiet night ahead, fair skies in place, and for tomorrow we'll go 70 to 71 for that projected high. All things considered, a pretty nice into the week under partly cloudy skies. Breeze will stick with us tomorrow, east to southeasterly at around 8 to 14 miles per hour. Let's advance it into the 10-day forecast. There's your high rain chance for Saturday. Again, mostly for the first half of the day, turning nicer and drier for Sunday. Cool this weekend, lower 60s, and much of next week looks pretty nice with highs in the 60s, maybe even upper 50s there on Tuesday, with your overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. Well, that's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We'll have more coming up after the break.